Hi friends! Today I'm going to be making Ehomaki, the lucky Direction Sushi Roll for the Setsubun Festival. I am making easy Anago Sushi Roll this year, but the rice is pre-seasoned with soy sauce and mirin to make it special. You can surprise your family and friends. And don't forget the toasted soybean. Let's get started. Setsubun Festival is held on February the 3rd, a day before the first spring day, the Rishun in the lunar calendar. We eat Ehomaki sushi roll on the day, facing lucky direction to welcome the god of the year. We should eat the whole sushi roll facing the year's lucky direction in silence. And we throw soybeans to Oni monsters to keep away from the previous year's bad fortune and evil spirit. First, rehydrate the shiitake mushroom. Soak dried mushroom in water for at least 2 to 3 hours to overnight until fully rehydrated. Put a small piece of kitchen towel directly on the mushroom to shorten the time. It takes a long time to prepare, so better do it a day before. Cut off the stem and slice into 5 mm. Add water used for the rehydrating. This is a very good dashi with strong umami. Add sugar, soy sauce, and mirin. Cook over medium-low heat until almost all of the liquid is gone and set aside until used. To make toasted soybean, wash and clean the beans and soak in the generous amount of water overnight. It swells 3 times bigger than the dried bean. Pat dry the excess water, bake until toasty for 30 to 40 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Toast every once in a while to cook through. Leave the beans in the oven until it cools down to room temperature to dry out all the moisture inside the beans so that you can get the crispy, toasty, and delicious soybean. Now let's make sushi vinegar. I used Kansai style today, so that'll be sweet and less salty and goes well with the tamagoyaki and anago konga eel. Put sugar and salt in a pot and pour over the rice vinegar and cook over a medium heat until it comes to just before boiling, until the liquid looks translucent. Let it cool to room temperature and transfer to a bottle with a piece of comb cap to add the umami. Now let's cook the rice. I am preparing the double amount today. Rinse the rice and drain into a strainer and put it into the rice cooker bowl. Pour the water to the line. Remove 4 tablespoons of water and add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of mirin to keep the exact amount of water. Or you can do the opposite. Add soy sauce and mirin first, then pour water up to the line. Give it a nice stir and cook in the rice cooker. Next, let's make tamagoyaki. Normally, I make tamagoyaki with 2 eggs, but today I used 3 eggs because I love tamagoyaki so much. Crack 3 eggs in a small measure cup and beat until the egg yolks and the white blended well. Mix all the ingredients well. Some people like to add sugar for tamagoyaki, especially for sushi. It's all up to you. If you like the sweet tamagoyaki, add a little bit of sugar. Heat your rectangular pan for tamagoyaki, grease the inside well, and pour a quarter mixture. Run the surface with the egg mixture. When it's still wet on the surface, fold the omelette towards you. Grease the surface again and slide the omelette to the other side. Pour the next quarter of the mixture, run the mixture under the cooked omelette. Fold it and repeat the process 2 more times. And there you have it. Leave it to room temperature and cut into 3 lengthwise. Cut cucumber into sticks and remove the seeds to make it crunchy. Cut the conga eel in the length of the nori seed and cut into sticks. Put in a frying pan and sprinkle sake to bring up the umami. Cook on low heat until heat is through. If you find anago sauce in the package, you can add it to the frying pan to enhance the flavor, but today I have anago sauce made by myself, so add it to enhance the flavor even more. Set aside until used. The ingredients are all set. Let's prepare the sushi rice. Transfer the freshly cooked rice in a bowl and pour the sushi vinegar. It looks like a lot, but it's a perfect ratio. Toss to coat all the grain with the sushi vinegar. Make sure you do not smash the grain. I don't think you need to use a fan to dry out the excess moisture for this amount of the rice. It's going to chill too quickly before it seasons all the grain. Okay, now let's finish the sushi roll. So this year I try spread sushi rice with my hand instead of the rice paddle like I do before because I learned how to do it from the chef Tetsu of the Samurai Sushi Spirits. Go and check his channel to learn how to make sushi and more information about sushi. We are going to make 2 sushi rolls, so divide the rice into 2. Take 2/3 of the rice on your moistened hand and shape into a cylinder. Place it in the center of the nori and leave an inch gap on the edge. Your hand should be moistened with the vinegary water. Spread the rice little by little to the left and try not to smash the rice grains, and next to the left. Use your palm as a guide to fill the nori with the rice, and then spread the center part. Take the rest of the rice and spread it like so. Place the ingredients in the center of the rice. Pick up the edges of the sushi mat with your index finger and thumb and hold the filling with the other fingers and go over the ingredients and reach the other end. Pull back to tighten the roll and roll forward to make a nice round shape. And there you have it, Anago Sushi Roll. Let's take a look from the other angle. You can use teriyaki chicken or pork ginger or sweet and savory teriyaki beef instead of anago. You can play around the fillings. throw the beans away from inside to outside the house to drive away the bad luck. I hope you learned something from this video and I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join the Happy Eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!